Hey guys and girls, this is Atif and you're watching Moon Triple Three, where I'm posting the trading ideas and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information I'm providing in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research for any kind of investment. I'm just taking you to the XRP chart. There are some more bullish developments in the XRP move. So this is the XRP US dollar Bitfinex live chart, and first I'm taking you to the daily chart. In my previous videos, we have seen that the XRP has a very strong key level resistance at 31 cents here, and since July 2019, since the price action of XRP has uh, crossed down this price level. So far, the price action is struggling below this key level resistance. Here you can see the price action tried to move up, but did not cross up this level. And here the price action struggled almost from 17 October to 7th of November of 2019, but at that time the price action was not able to cross up this resistance level. And now here the price action has given its lowest price at uh, almost at 17 cents, 17.6 cents. And after that, the price action has taken the bullish divergence and moving up again. And now we can see the price action is likely to move up to hit this resistance level very soon. We have seen some bullish signals and indications in my previous videos. I'm just gonna give you the recap of those signals. Uh, First, I just want to show you the position of the moving averages. I'm just gonna place some moving averages, the simple moving averages. 1, 2, and 3 moving averages. And I'm placing the 4 moving averages. The 25 in blue color, this is the 25 simple moving average. And after that, this one is the 50. And this is in green color, the 50 simple moving average. And this one is the 100 moving average in red color with the time period of 100. And the last one is the 200 moving average. And here is the time period of this moving average is 200 in black color. All right. Here in black color, we have the 200 moving average, the biggest moving average, and in blue color, we have the 25 moving average, in green color, 50, and in red color, we have 100 moving average. All right, here you can see the moving average, the blue color, the 25 moving average has crossed down the price action and now lifting the price action up. And after that, we are just witnessing that the 50 moving average has also crossed down, and now it is also providing a lift to the price action. And the 100 moving average is coming from upside down, and we can have, and even the 200 moving average is also moving down very steep. So we can have a golden cross between 25 to 100, 25 to 50, 25 to 100, 25 to 200, then 50 to 100, and 50 to 200. And then finally, we will have a golden cross of 100 to 200 moving average. And I think the biggest bullish move will be triggered when the 50 moving average will cross up the 200 moving average, like is moving here in this position, and the black will be moving down in this position. So it can be a when this golden cross will be formed, then there will be a very strong bullish divergence I'm watching. Even though the other moving averages, the golden cross between the other moving averages can also produce a bullish divergence as well, but that can be a very powerful bullish divergence, because this is my personal experience that whenever 50 and 200 moving average on any chart form a golden cross, it produces the most powerful bullish divergence comparatively to the other golden crosses of the different moving averages. And now I'm just going to show you the Ichimoku cloud. This is a very powerful indicator. Even the Japanese took 30 years to develop this indicator. Therefore, we should also use this indicator in our every trade. And this is the Ichimoku cloud. And now we can see, take a look at here, that the cloud is turned bullish. Here we can see that the Ichimoku cloud is turned bullish, and it was turned bearish on December 12th or 13th, and after that it is turning bullish now. And this bullish reversal of the cloud is quite firm and quite solid and genuine reversal, because if we see the other indications of this Ichimoku cloud, like the conversion line, this is the conversion line. I'm just making it more visible so it will be easy for you to see these lines. This blue one is the bullish conversion line, and this baseline in brown is the bearish line. So here you can see the conversion line has formed a bull cross with the baseline, and it has crossed up. And here, if we see the lagging span of this Ichimoku cloud, this is the lagging span in green color, then we can see the lagging span has clearly and very obviously and in very bullish manner has crossed up the price action. This is a very strong bullish signal on the day chart. If the Ichimoku cloud is turned completely bullish with all indications on the day chart, it is a very powerful, really very powerful bullish indication. So in my personal opinion, the price action will be pushed up very, very powerful to hit this resistance level at 31 cents very soon, because the bullish cloud, the Ichimoku cloud is turned completely bullish with all the indications. And if we see the other indications, like for example, the MACD, the moving average, convergence, divergence on week chart. On day chart, it is strong bullish. Even we see on the week chart, then we can see here that it is turning bullish and almost given us the bull cross. So far, it is likely to give the bull cross very soon. You can see the blue line is moving up to form a bull cross with the orange line. And here, the histogram of this MACD was strong bearish, and it is turned weak bearish, and soon we will see that it will be turned strong bullish like it was turned here, and after that the price action took a powerful bullish divergence and hit the cloud, the base of the cloud. But here if the price action will take the bullish divergence, I think it will definitely hit, the price action will definitely hit this resistance level of 31 cents. And if we see the RSI on this week chart, then we can see it has already visited the oversold zone here, and now it is turned very strong bullish and moving up. And now placing the stochastic indicator, one of the most important indicators, then we can see that here the stochastic has given bull cross from the deep of the oversold zone. So this is a very strong bullish indication. All these indicators are giving us strong bullish indications, and soon the price action will move up to hit this resistance level at 31 cents. And if we see the pattern, the chart pattern on this week chart, I've already depicted this pattern in my previous videos, that the price action has formed a falling wedge on the week chart, and this was the falling wedge. Here we have all right. This is, you can see here, this was the support of this falling wedge, and this is the resistance of this falling wedge. And for better understanding, we can also place the Bollinger Bands with this chart pattern. Then we can easily understand that the price action is also has hit at the support of the falling wedge, and also hit at the support of this Bollinger Bands. And Bollinger Band support is also very firm. It can lift the price action. It can also provide a very strong push to the price action. And once the price action will cross up this center of this uh, Bollinger Band, which is the 20 moving average. Basically, this is the 20 moving average. It can also provide a very strong lift to the price action, and price action can hit very easily the top, the resistance of the falling wedge, or this 31 cents resistance level, because the resistance of the falling wedge and the 31 cents resistance level both are coming at the same level, and definitely the price action can easily hit the upper resistance of the falling wedge. Then definitely it can also hit the 31 cents resistance level as well. And if this resistance level will be broken out, like the price action will move up, and after some correction it will be again moving up like this. But all depends if the price action or candlesticks will be closed above this level. Then we can see or witness this correction, price correction period, and after that the price action can use this resistance level as a support for the price action and move up again. Because whenever the price action breaks out any resistance level, it most of the times it uses that same resistance level as a support, and during the price correction period, the price action hit at the support and take the bounce from here. So what will be the next? Our next resistance level can be, we can have a minor resistance. First, let me to take you to the day chart, then it will be more clear to see the most recent resistance, most close resistance to see, like this 31 cents. Our next resistance level will be here. We can have a, the next resistance level at 47 cents, after when the price action will break out this resistance level. Then the price action can have, here we can have a little bit resistance level at almost 37 cents, and if it will be broken out, then we can hit the 47 cents resistance level. But this is the minor resistance. For the price action, it will be not difficult to break this resistance level of 31 cents, because here the price action has been struggling to have a breakout from this resistance level as well in April 2019. But this is not a strong resistance level, and this will be our next key level resistance, that will be around at 47 cents. So I am looking that the price action will easily hit in the next step 31 cents, and if the 31 cents resistance level will be broken out, then we can witness the 47 cents price action will hit the 47 cents resistance level. And if the 47 cents resistance level will be broken out, then there can be a very, very powerful bull rally, which can lead the price action to hit more more high level, to form a more high level price level. And definitely I will be keep posting the more videos with the further developments in the price action of the XRP soon. Thank you. Uh, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Goodbye.